Attention Tennessee boat owners! Spring is just around the corner and it's time to protect your investment. At Middle Tennessee Econo Lifts, we help boat owners like you protect their boats from costly water damage, wear, and tear. Don't let water damage ruin your boating adventures. Our lifts keep your boat safe, secure, and ready for the next trip. Right now, take advantage of our early bird special. Get 15% off all new boat lifts when you order before March 31st, 2025. We proudly serve boat owners across Middle Tennessee and Chattanooga, including Percy Lake, Old Hickory Lake, Chickamauga Lake, and more. Our lifts are built to last with American-made quality you can trust, designed for boats of all sizes. Join hundreds of satisfied customers who trust Middle Tennessee Econo Lifts to protect their boats year-round. Don't wait until it's too late. Call us today or visit our website to claim your early bird special. 15% off new boat lifts through March 31st. Middle Tennessee Econo Lifts, protecting your investment one lift at a time.